Boom! At the open, our all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at this sad like she fine as I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want to stop it. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, making profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them handle profits while I'm still in my sand, big and private. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and the cop. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profit. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profit. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profit. That TTG money gang, making profit. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. It is the final day of the month of November, and I'm sad to see the month go. It was our best month ever inside of True Trading Group. Guys, my name is Michael Edward Paranati, and I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. TTG is a 2023 Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist for Best Data Analysis Tool. We are also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that provides university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, workshops, live workshops, individual mentorship and coaching on stocks, options, crypto, futures. We do day trading, swing trading, also long-term investing. There is something for everybody inside of True Trading Group. But we take that university level curriculum, we combine it with today's top financial tools. Tools that give you more information and help you make better decisions, therefore increasing your chances of success. The reason why most retail traders don't use these tools is because they're very expensive. You're talking about $5,000 to $6,000 a year if you were to pay for them on your own. You don't have to pay for them when you join True Trading Group. It is part of your membership. There's no additional cost or fee. This includes Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed with congressional trading data and insider trading information, a simulator to let you trade with fake money but real-time data, TradingView's premium charting software, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, analyst ratings, a trade idea scanner, and honestly so much more that I won't get into right now. Yes, you're going to get all of our courses. Yes, you're going to get all of our real-time trade alerts, of course. But you also get these tools. We set you up with every single thing that you need to have the very best chance of becoming successful for one affordable price for the entire year. You also get access to all of our members, the TTG fam, the most educated, helpful, supportive, and successful community of traders that you are ever going to find, not to mention all of the real-time trade alerts from the moderators and myself that have been able to maintain a cumulative win rate of just around 80% now going on roughly the last 4 years. If you're wondering why I should listen to anything that I have to say on these live streams, it's because I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my first job right out of college, where they made me go through an educational training program before letting me touch $1 of the fund's money. Then you fast forward in 2008, the Great Recession, the stock market crash, but also the same year I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now I'm the co-founder and head trader of True Trading Group. Along with my team of 9 other professional trading mods and an over 30-person staff, we've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. We actually have members in 115 different countries. We truly are a global community at TTG. So if you're ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you folks have come to the right place. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live on this YouTube channel where myself and other TTG Pro trading mods and special guests will drop golden nuggets, give you free lessons, education, trade ideas to help you all become better traders. So if you've not yet done so, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications, make sure you guys never miss out on any of these live streams because we're dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis. We're dropping golden nuggets on a regular basis. We're dropping amazing trade ideas on a regular basis. And even if you just follow the YouTube streams, you guys could be making money. That's what we're here for, right? That's why you're here. That's why you're on this YouTube channel. That's why you're on this live. Try to figure out what's the next hot stock. Try to get, a stock tip from someone that's been doing this for a hell of a long time, right? Over 17 years now for me. Someone that worked on Wall Street, someone that's received a Trader of the Year award, looking for guidance, looking for what positions am I in? What am I looking to trade? What am I long? What am I short? And I got to tell you, I am so incredibly impressed where I can't even put into words the type of trading that has taken place inside True Trading Group in the month of November. Today's the last day of the month of November. Tomorrow we start December 1st, first trading day of the new month, first trading day of the last month of what has been an absolutely insane year. If you asked me in January if I thought the market would be at 456 on November 30th, I would have said no way. But sure enough, here we are. And the volatility and the action in this market has provided day traders and swing traders with some of the greatest, if not the greatest, trading environment that I've ever seen in my entire life. We are coming off of record-breaking back-to-back months for True Trading Group. You see, in the month of October, we set a record for the group with 20 triple-digit gains on trades that were alerted, executed, capitalized on by moderators and members alike. That was the best month that we had ever had as a group. 20 triple-digit gains in the month of October. I said, almost jokingly, 4 weeks ago, November, what was it? I think it was November, let's see, I'll give you the exact day. Yep, it was Tuesday, October 31st, and Wednesday, November 1st. If you followed this YouTube channel for a while, I was on this channel on those days, and I said, yeah, October, great month, record-setting month, but I said, I want to outdo that in November. Now, sure, would I love to have done more than 20 triple-digit gains in the month of November? Of course I would have. But would I have been happy with like 10? Of course, right? Of course. I'm sure most people would be happy with 10 triple-digit gains in 1 month. But I said that we were setting out for the month of November as a group. And again, there's 9 professional traders that send out trade alerts into Trading Group. It's not just me. These are not all trades that I made myself. I made some of them. I made a triple-digit gain today in Meta short put options. We'll talk about that. 106% gain on Meta put options today. We'll talk about that trade a little bit later on in this live stream. We actually had 2 trades today that were triple-digit gains. One was call options on Sunrun. The other one was put options on Meta. We'll talk about that later. But I said during those live streams, the beginning of this month, that I want to beat that record in November, and that we set out to do so. And we've completely outdone ourselves. We did not just beat last month's record of 20 triple-digit gains. We absolutely shattered it. We are closing out the month today after today's 2 triple-digit gains that were alerted inside chat with a total of 28 triple-digit gains alerted, sent out in real time to all of our members, 28 triple-digit gains, some of which ended up being over 300%. I think we had like 2 or 3 trades that were over 300%. We had a handful that were over 200%. And then the rest all over 100. These are day trades and swing trades. As a matter of fact, the majority of those 28 ended up being swing trades. Today's 2 trades were day trades, Sunrun calls and Meta put options. Those were day trades. But the majority of the 28 actually ended up being swing trades. So these aren't trades that you've got to be sitting in front of your computer screen all day, every day, staring at charts, like executing a million trades during the day. No. These are trades that you can get a notification on your phone through our mobile app that lets you know when our mods enter and exit positions in real time. Get notification. Actually, my boy Bronx Tail. I don't know if you're on this live stream or not. If you are, give me a shout out. But username Bronx Tail sent me a message today later in the day and was actually like, hey, I had a doctor's appointment today. And before I went in, I got the notification that I got into the short on Meta. And right before he went into the doctor's office, he was able to enter the trade, set a stop loss, and then went into his appointment. And he's like, by the time I came out of the appointment, those options were already up about 80% by the time he got out of the doctor's appointment, and then eventually ended up, going on to where we were able to break over 100% gain on that trade. So like using that mobile app, getting those real-time notifications is how so many of our members are able to capitalize on what we do during the day, even if you're not in front of your computer. I don't expect you to be sitting in front of your computer all day, every day, staring at charts. You guys have lives, you have jobs, you have other responsibilities. It's not realistic to think you're going to be in front of a computer all day long like we are. But that's why we're here. Lean on us to do the heavy lifting, to identify these setups for you. And then can you follow along? Can you get messages on your phone and then open up, enter a trade, set a stop loss, put your phone down, wait until you get another notification that says we took profit? Can you do that? Yes, great, awesome. Then you're going to be able to take advantage of this trading action that's going on inside of True Trading Group. We are trading right now the best that we have ever done. The moderators in True Trading Group are firing on all cylinders. Day trades and swing trades alike. Stocks and options, futures, you name it, we trade it. And I'm just at a loss for words. I'm so incredibly impressed by the trading that's taking place inside of the community. It's not even just the moderators too, like members are absolutely killing it. And at the end of the day, that's what matters, right? Like when you guys join True Trading Group, you're joining because you want to make money. You want to be able to catch some of these triple digit gains. It's not just, oh, hey, I made money, but I don't really care if anybody else was able to make money. Do our trade alerts translate into members making money? That's the bottom line. That's what you all want to know. And that's rightfully so what you should want to know, because there's too many people out there that they get into a trade, they send an alert, and then by the time you get the alert, and by the time you enter the position, that person's already getting out. And all you're doing is running around like a chicken with its head cut off, or you're a dog chasing its own tail, and they get in. By the time you get in, they're getting out. Then you get out and you lost money and they made money. They're like, hey, yeah, boom, great trade. You're like, what? I lost money. That's not the type of trades that we make. Our day trades last hours. Our swing trades last days, sometimes even weeks. That's why our members are able to make money. And you don't have to take my word for it. As a matter of fact, you shouldn't just take my word for it, because I can come up here and I can come on this live stream. I can say whatever the hell that I want. But how do you know that members are actually making money? How do you know that members were actually able to catch some of these triple digit gains? Let me just prove something to you real quick. Members of True Trading Group, those of you that are part of our community, if you're on this live stream right now and you guys are making money and you're becoming better traders because of TTG, I want you to go ahead right now and type the number 1. Just type the number 1. Type the number 1. Tell me if you guys, look at this. Andrew Rowan says, my first day placing trades, my first day making money. Congratulations, Andrew. Congratulations, Andrew. So guys, go ahead. Just type the number 1 if you're a member of True Trading Group. If you guys are making money, sound it off. Let me know. And for those of you that are watching that are maybe not part of the community, that are wondering, is this something you can actually do? Well, take a look for yourself. Count how many people are typing the number 1, and then you tell me if you think you can do it. My boy Bruce got 150% gain today on that meta trade. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Look at all these people that are typing the number 1, guys. If they can do it, so can you. Why not? Why can't you do it? What, are these people luckier than you? No. Are they smarter than you? No. Maybe some of them are. Maybe some of them are. But it's because they have access to this platform. They're part of this community. They have access to these tools, these resources, and these trade alerts. That's why. It's not because I've given them some special indicator that I learned on Wall Street that nobody wants retail traders to know about. It's not because I have some fail-proof system that works 99% of the time, or some special super top secret undercover chart pattern that nobody talks about on YouTube. That's not why these people are making money. They're making money because they're just part of a community of a bunch of really damn good traders that do this for a living. That's why. And I'm not just talking about moderators. I'm talking about members too. 82% of our members have full-time jobs. The rest of them are full-time traders, some retired, but 82% have full-time jobs. So you might think that, oh, the people that are typing the number 1, all these people that say they're making money, they have to be full-time traders. They have to be working from home, right? In order for them to be able to make money in the markets, because that's what you've been told, right? You've been told in order to make money in the markets, you got to be sitting in front of a computer screen, staring at charts and scanners and pushing a bunch of keys like a madman. You'd be wrong if that's what you thought, because 82% of our members work over 40 hours a week with a full-time job. And I'll show that to you. Members, do me a favor real quick. Can you guys just tell me what you do for a living if you're making money while working a full-time job with us? So if you guys have a job, you have a schedule, you have responsibilities during the day, what's your profession? What do you do for a living? Tell me right now, inside chat. The people that are watching that are unsure if you're able to do this because your job is so demanding, I want you to pay attention to the comments. Read what some of these people do for a living. See if you see someone that does what you do. See, read, jeweler, architect, software engineer, boat mechanic, general contractor, electrician. Do any of these jobs sound like they're just super easy and someone is just sitting in front of a computer screen all day long? A film production, a truck driver. Do you think James Jackson, the truck driver, or Bruce Sears, who's in film production, do you think, or Kathleen Duke, high touch operations manager with IT at Cisco, do you think these people have nothing better to do with their day than sit in front of a computer screen and stare at charts and wait for a moderator to send out an alert? Direct support personnel for people with disabilities. These people have very demanding jobs, very important responsibilities, yet they're still sitting here telling you that they're making money. It's a result of the trading that's been taking place inside of this community, inside of this platform. 28 triple-digit gains. The best month we have ever had inside True Trading Group. I also want to welcome all of our friends from the Stockmaster app. We have a bunch of people that are tuning in from the Stockmaster app. Welcome. Guys, if you're just joining us from Stockmaster, we're talking Cybertruck. We're talking Cybertruck Day with Tesla, Elon Musk and Disney's little war from the comments from Elon Musk the other day. We're talking about a record-setting month for us in True Trading Group, 28 triple-digit gains, 2 of them actually today. But closing out the month of November, it's our best month ever inside True Trading Group. It's a record for us, 28 triple-digit gains. Not just for myself. Remember, there's 9 professional traders in True Trading Group, and amongst all of us as a group, 28 triple-digit gains today, or this month rather, 28. So everyone joining us from Stockmaster, welcome. You guys are in for a treat. But that's what it comes down to, guys. That's what it comes down. I'm curious, members of TTG, can you guys sound it off if you caught some of those triple-digit gains? Tell me, how'd you guys do? Because I keep talking about these triple-digit gains. You might get tired of hearing about them. I assure you, our members are not tired of catching them. So, do me a favor, guys. Comment in chat, sound it off. If you guys caught some of these triple-digit gains, did you catch some this month? If so, how many did you catch? Throw out some of the comments. Throw out some of the percentages. Throw out some dollar amounts. Tell me how you guys did here this month. 28. Triple-digit gains alerted by the moderators. So just go ahead, guys, and sound it off inside chat. Tell me how you guys did and how many of them you guys were able to capitalize on as members of the TTG fam. Way to go, Andrew. Andrew caught 28% just today. That's awesome. Way to go, Memphis Street Doc. Way to go, Memphis Street Doc. Oh, way to go, Canyon Ridge. Way to go. Great job, guys. I'm just checking out some of the comments that are coming through. Very nicely done. Very nicely done. So that's it, folks. So great month coming to a close. We hit on some monsters here today. And one of the things that I want to show you guys, I want to talk about my trade today, which was Meta. Okay. 208% average take profit on a 3-day swing trade for Saxon. You're a monster. 170% for Atlan, a bunch of 90%. % for Susie. Just sick. I just love it. I really do. For me, Meta was the banger for me today. All right. So Meta on the short today for me. And this is, you guys can see Meta really rolled over today. And this was one of my top ideas coming into the day. Now, for those of you that are not members and you guys are not part of the community, if you guys are not, familiar with these trades, what I want you to realize, and I want to show you how we lay out the game plans for you, what you can expect from as being a member of True Trading Group. Our trade alerts don't come out of nowhere. They don't surprise you when you're not paying attention. They don't come out of left field where you get a ticker symbol that comes across that you've never even heard of before, and you don't even know what it is. You don't know what the price is that we're entering these positions. You have no idea, right? In True Trading Group, we tell you what we're going to do before we actually do it. So before the market opens, the moderators and I go through our game plan, our watch list. We tell you, these are the stocks we're focused on. These are the entry prices. These are the exit prices. So you know exactly what stocks the moderators and I are focusing on and what prices we're going to look to enter these positions. You get that every morning inside True Trading Group. You get it. Either you can, if you're in chat, you can listen to the audio because the moderators and I tell you verbally. You can do that on the mobile app, or you can do it on the website. Our watch list get loaded up on the website. You get via email, whatever. It's all available to you. What I want to do right now, before I go through this meta trade with you, is I want to play for you a 1-minute clip from the analysis pre-market, before the market opened, inside of our chat room, where I'm telling members what I think Meta is going to do today, what price I'm going to get in, and what price I'm going to get out. So before the market even opens, members know exactly what I'm looking at, what the plan is, when I'm going to get in, when I'm going to get out, and therefore members can even get better entries than I do. Because some of them get in even before I get filled and before my alert comes through. So I want to play this clip for you. Pay very close attention to the prices that I say in this video clip. Again, this is from pre-market. This is not from YouTube. This is from inside the True Trading Group platform, inside of our community, inside of our chat that members get every single morning. Joe, let's go ahead and play that clip. I'm watching Meta to continue its pullback from yesterday today. I think Meta is going to get down into like the high to mid 320s. We're 332 right now, but what I'm looking at is, you look at the bottom left of my screen in the 15-minute, you see this resistance level that really showed its face yesterday. Lows of the day on the 28th, broke it yesterday, and then resistance, tried to get back above 3 times yesterday, unable to do so. Pre-market highs, also resistance 334. I'm looking for a bounce. Like if we get to like 333 or so, let's try the short. We'll try the short there with stops like 334.5, and then see if we can get Meta to break yesterday's low and then test this huge support level. So there's big support levels, I call it 328. I think we're going to see Meta 328 today. That's $4 to the downside from here. But if we can get filled up at 333, risk $1.50 to potentially catch $5 to the downside, that's a beautiful risk reward trade. I'm watching Meta to see if we can get into 328 today. That's from this morning before the market even opened. You heard me say if we can get filled at 333, I think we get down to 328. Now, we got down to not just 328, we got down to 323. My final take profit came off at 325. That was good for a 106% gain on the December 8th expiration, $330 strike put option, in at $3.75. Out at $7.75. That's good for around a 106% gain for members of True Trading Group. Well, let's take a look at what Meta actually did today. Well, you heard me say, let's look to get filled at 333. The high of the day today is 333.50. So you betcha right there, 333. You heard me say it in the pre-market session. I'm going to get filled short at 333. We're going to take that trade. That's exactly what happened. Took that trade. The stop loss was 334.50 right here. I'll make that line red just so you guys are able to make the distinction between the entry and the stop loss. So there's the entry. There's the stop loss in red. And we just absolutely rolled over. So you had first take profit, second take profit, third take profit, and fourth and final take profit on this Meta position. Good for a 106% gain on that final take profit. Just an unbelievable trade on Meta. All right, so congratulations. All of the members here inside True Trading Group that caught this Meta trade with me. Was an absolute banger, and this was our 27th triple-digit gain of the month. And then we came up in the rear with sun run call options to the upside for another triple-digit gain here today, and that was right off the early morning drop. Stepping in there on call options, Andrea Weber, one of our other professional trading mods, right at yesterday's support level. And then when you got this nice, beautiful move up there through the highs of the day, that was good for a 100% on the button, in at 49 cents, out at 98 cents for a 100% gain there on Sunrun. So that was the 28th triple-digit gain of the month. So congratulations. Some made over, Bruce, my boy Bruce says, see, some made over 200% on the meta trade. Yes, if you guys took tomorrow's expiration, you could have made over 200% if you did tomorrow's expiration. I alerted, to give you guys time with time decay, I alerted the 12/8 expiration put option, which was good for 106%. This were less time decay. Okay. So nonetheless, monster trade for the members of True Trading Group. And I'm just happy to see so many people able to hit this. And we finished November with a bang. We finished November with an absolute bang. 2 triple-digit gains today. Meta is the one that I hit. Uni, Andrea Weber, we nickname is Uni. She caught Sunrun. So we finished off what has been a record-setting month for us as a community with 2 triple-digit gains today, which is leaving us at 28 total for the month of November. Congratulations, guys. Congrats. Now, listen, I'm curious to see how many people are on the live stream right now that are not part of the community. I want to see that now. I know all the members that are here that are part of our community. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, can you guys do me a favor and type the letters TTG real quick inside chat? Just type TTG if you guys are not part of the community. If you're not part of the community, just go ahead and do me a favor and type the letters TTG so I know how many people I'm talking to on this live that are not inside of our chat, that are not on the mobile app. So just go ahead and type the letters TTG if you guys are not members of True Trading Group. I know it might sound tedious. Do me a favor, just type the TTG so I know who I'm talking to. We got Gus. Let's go ahead, guys. Type TTG, those of you that are not part of the community. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do here, the DC network, what's up here? What I'm going to do is I want to make sure that you guys are aware. I'm going to talk to you guys just briefly about how you can join the True Trading Group community and platform and what you guys get included with it when you do join. Because like I said, you get access to all the tools, all the resources, stuff that you guys would have to spend thousands of dollars on if you went and did it on your own. It's included when you join our platform. So let me just tell you guys about the offer that you have available today. I want you to do me a favor and pull up this web browser. Open up the web browser, pull up this site, ttgoffer.com. That is ttgoffer.com. Every single thing that you see on that page, is included when you join True Trading Group. There is no additional cost, fee, upsell for anything that's on that page. Every single thing on that page is included when you join our community. Now, when you go to ttgoffer.com, you'll notice the price says $2,212, which is our normal price for the year. However, if you're on this live stream with me, you can use the coupon code TTG121. The TTG121 coupon code will knock the price down by 52%, bringing it to a total of $1,047 for the entire year. And we've got 10 laptops available for the next 10 people to join. A free gift to you for joining our community. It's a Windows 11 laptop, Microsoft 365 for the year. You guys join. It's free. We also cover the shipping. We ship anywhere in the world. We have members in 115 different countries. I assure you, as long as you live on planet Earth, you guys will get that brand new free laptop. Okay? You don't have to enter your address to get it. When you sign up, you're going to get a welcome email with instructions how to claim that free laptop. So be on the lookout for the welcome email after you guys join so you guys can get your free laptop. It's the holidays. You can give that laptop away as a gift to somebody. You can sell it on eBay, put the money back in your account, use it to trade with, use it for work, give it to your kid for school. Doesn't matter. It's a free gift to you. Windows 11 laptop, Microsoft 365, totally free. Yours. Only for the next 10 people. How do you know you're going to get one? How do you know you're one of the 10? Simple. See that laptop icon inside of the checkout cart? As long as you see that laptop icon, that's how you know that you're going to be getting one. After 10 people sign up, the laptop will no longer be visible in the checkout cart. The price will be good until midnight tonight, but the laptop, if you don't see one, that means we've sold out. So if you're watching this later on this evening and you see a laptop, that means there's still one available. You can check out knowing that you're going to be getting that free laptop. All right. Again, the coupon code is TTG121. Click apply code. The price will then drop down to that 1047. Included for the 1047 is our entire 23 course curriculum. It is a simplified and expanded upon version of the training that I received working at the fund in New York. There are beginner courses, advanced courses, options, crypto, swing trading, trader psychology, you name it, we've got it. You have access to all of it when you join our community. Again, everything on ttgoffer.com. Everything listed there is included for the $1,047 price with the free laptop. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data, track trades by Congress, insider trading data, track trades by management teams. All of this is included for the 1047. If you were to go to Benzinga on your own, just those things would cost you over $1,000 a year. It's included when you join our platform. Okay, it's part of the reason why we were nominated and were a finalist for the Benzinga FinTech Awards Best Data Analysis Tool. It's because of all the tools and data and resources that you get when you join our community. You also get full book level 2, TradingView's premium charting software, a simulator to practice trading with fake money but real-time data. The Trade Idea scanner streams on our platform for you to use. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, analyst ratings, a trading journal that tracks your trading for you, a social sentiment scanner to tell you what's being talked about most on social media. All of this is included. All of our AI trading tools, our AI trading assistants, everything is included for that 1047. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com and use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. That price drops all the way down to 1047. See a laptop, you're getting one. It's just that simple. Still have doubts? Excellent. I'll remove the doubt for you. We offer a double your money back guarantee at True Trading Group. I know I talk a big game on these live streams, but I back it up with our own money. We believe so strongly in the platform that we have created and its ability to help you reach your goals that we offer you double your money back. Here's the deal. All you need to do is go through our courses, pass the quizzes at the end of the courses, attend one study group. We do study groups every Thursday. They're free. Do those things. If you are unable, and you have the whole year to do those things, you don't have to do them all within like 30 days. You have the whole year to do those things. If you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal what you've paid for your membership, so $1,047, if you can't do that at least one time, then we're going to give you back double your money. So we'll give you back $2,094 if you are unable to make enough winning trades to equal the 1047 during your membership. The double your money back guarantee is right on our website. It's right there in black and white. Go read it. ttgoffer.com. It's right there. Now, I can offer you the double your money back because our refund rate at True Trading Group is less than 2.5%. If our refund rate was 15%, I wouldn't be able to offer you double your money back. We're 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Over 2,400 reviews. Go read them. Check them out. Read the 5 stars. Hell, read the 1 stars. You also, guys, have we also have a 78% retention rate at True Trading Group. 78% of our members have either become lifetime members of our community or have renewed their membership. 78%. Guys, do me a favor, members of True Trading Group, if you guys are lifetime or if you've been here for longer than a year, just do me a favor and type the number 1. Now, those of you that are not part of our community, ask yourself this question seriously. Why would these people still be here if they didn't feel like they were getting value and having success with the time, the money, and the energy that they were spending towards True Trading Group? Would you? If you joined True Trading Group and your year membership was coming up, was coming due, was about to expire, if you found no value, if you had zero success, would you stay? Of course you wouldn't. But look how many people do. Would you decide, I want to become a lifetime member of this community if you were finding no success? Of course you wouldn't. But these people did. This is why we can offer you double your money back because of things like this. Nice. J.E. Blanco says, today's my TTG 3-year birthday. Happy 3-year anniversary, J.E. Blanco, 3-year member of True Trading Group. Congratulations. Many, many more to come. All right. So like I said, guys, go to ttgoffer.com, use the coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price drops down to the 1047 for the whole year. You got a free laptop with that. You got a double your money back guarantee, which I really honestly don't think that you need, but it's there for peace of mind. Jeffrey Gray says, I've been a TTG member for 8 weeks. I'm currently studying for my TTG final exam. The final exam is a doozy, Jeff. I've been trying to trade for 16 months, and I've learned more from True Trading Group in the last 8 weeks than I learned in the last 16 months on my own. You will never regret the investment in yourself, says Jeffrey Gray. Thank you very much for those words, Jeffrey, and I'm very happy to hear that you are learning and that you are progressing. And you've been a real pleasure. I still remember the night that you actually joined. So you've been a real pleasure to have inside of the True Trading Group platform and the True Trading Group community, and look forward to many more years with you. So again, folks, ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, click apply code, price drops at 1047. You see the laptop, you're getting one, check out, you're good to go. Look out for that welcome email which will have instructions on how to claim the free laptop. All right. If you have any questions, listen to me carefully. If you have any questions or you're having a hard time signing up for whatever the reason, send a text message to 1-888-306-8783. Again, that is 1-888-306-8783. If you have any questions, we have to welcome Lisa. Lisa just joined. Everybody welcome Lisa. Lisa, welcome to the True Trading Group family. We are now down to 9 of those laptops, guys. Welcome, Lisa, your newest member. We're now down to 9 of those laptops, guys. Remember, if you see one, you're getting one. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code, click apply code. Price drops at 1047. See a laptop, you're getting one. Double your money back guarantee that I don't think you need, but it's there to give you peace of mind. And it's there to honestly hold us accountable. But considering our refund rate is less than 2.5%, I honestly really don't think that you need it. My pleasure, Jeff. Jeff says, thanks for how much work you put into the courses for us, Mike. Absolutely awesome. Jeffrey, my absolute pleasure. The other mods too also contributed to those courses. Not all of those courses were just me. So that's a team effort there with everything that you guys have available from True Trading Group. But Jeffrey, thank you very much for the kind words. All right. Again, 1-888-306-8783 if you have any issues. Also, if you guys used to be a member and you want to come back home, or maybe you used to be a trial member, you have to text that number so that we can whitelist your email address so that you can get the 1047 discounted price. Otherwise, you're going to be paying the $22.12, which is full price. If you guys are on this YouTube channel, I don't want you to, we'll give you the discount. So just use the coupon code if you're new. But if you guys used to be a member, used to be a trial, you have to text us so we can whitelist your email so that the coupon code works and you guys can get the 52% discount. All right. Oh, nice. Clee Jules is the YouTube user I just see. So you're Lisa that just joined. I see your comments. Welcome to the community, Lisa. Pleasure to have you. All right, guys. So again, 1-888-306-8783. Text us. You'll talk to a real person. We'll answer any questions you have. We'll help you guys out if you're having a tough time on the checkout page or whatever it is. We'll get you guys situated. All right. So there we have it. All right, folks. Let's take things back on over to the overall markets now. So you guys got kind of the trade recap there for Meta for us. Monster trade. Just an absolute thing of beauty. Let's talk about the overall market. So what is it? What is it about this market that allowed us to catch 28 triple-digit gains in the month of November and 20 in the month of October? What is it? Right? And what I truly think that it is one word: volatility. You saw a greater than 10% move in the month of November. We have to welcome Vicky. Vicky is the newest member. Vicky just joined. Guys, welcome Vicky. That means we're down to 8 of those laptops. All right. So 8 laptops left. Vicky, welcome to the family. Guys, again, when you see a laptop in the checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. Okay. So if you're watching this after the live has already aired, okay, if you're watching after the live has already aired, you see a laptop, you're getting one. The laptops are good for the next 8 people. The 1047 price is good till midnight. At midnight, the price goes over 1100. You guys can get it right now for 1047. All right, price is good till midnight. At midnight, price jumps over 1100. And then you've got the next 8 people get the laptop. So Vicky, welcome to the family. All right. So you saw a 10% move in the market in the month of November. Now, let me put things into perspective. The average yearly return, the average yearly return is around 9 to 10%. So essentially the market did in 30 days what it typically takes 365 days to do. That is volatility. You have seen such tremendous moves in this market where you've seen when the market's opened, you saw a 10% move higher, a 10% move lower, a 20% move higher, a 12% move to the downside, a 10% move to the upside. These are the moves that this market is making in the course of a month or so, right? Typically, if you go back to 2015, 2016, 2014, right? Go back to the pre-COVID market. You get an 8, 9, 10% move for the whole year. This post-COVID era, which I don't see going away right now anytime soon, is what is providing us this type of volatility and therefore these type of trading opportunities. When you have volatility like that, stocks are just making bigger moves in shorter periods of time. That's essentially what is happening. That's really what volatility is. Those bigger moves is what allows us to catch triple-digit gains almost seemingly on a daily basis. 20 in the month of October, 28 in the month of November. It's because stocks are making bigger moves in shorter periods of time. Whether you're a day trader or you're a swing trader, these are the opportunities that are out there and that are in this market. That's why I think, okay, that's why I think that we've seen this type of opportunities. Samantha says, look, I want this, but I don't know how to justify it to myself when I know I need to provide for my family during the holidays. I guess I should wait till the new year. I mean, listen, personally, I don't think you should wait until the new year for a couple of reasons. One, the price is going to be more expensive. That's number one. That's first and foremost. And making, everybody has, bills during the holidays, right? We have to buy gifts for people and everything else. What about gifts for yourself? Why don't you buy gifts for yourself during the holidays? Gifts for yourself that maybe can actually pay dividends, can actually help you earn extra money and earn extra income during the holidays to help pay for some of that extra spending that happens during the holidays. That's the way that I look at it. With the way that the moderators are firing on all cylinders right now inside True Trading Group, 20 triple digits in October, 28 in November, I feel like waiting till the new year is missed opportunity. That's the way that I look at it, because I don't plan on slowing down at all, right? I don't plan on slowing down at all in December. I mean, honestly, the moderators, we can just coast through the month of December. right? With considering we just had 28 triple digits in November, 20 in October. We can coast through December and just be like, hey, it was a great year, but we're not going to. Our foot is completely on the gas pedal, and we are coming into tomorrow, first day of the month, blazing. Guns blazing, full steam ahead. I'm a single mom. I don't make a lot. That's okay. You don't need a lot of money, Samantha, in order to do this. Honestly, so many of our members have started with like less than $1,000 in their trading account. I mean, you can start with 300, 400 bucks in your trading account. You don't need thousands and thousands of dollars to get started. It's a very big misconception. And I'll show you that real quick, Samantha. Guys, members of True Trading Group, if you guys don't mind, let's just help out Samantha for a second. If you guys don't mind, if you started True Trading Group with less than $1,000 in your trading account, do you mind commenting and just tell me what you started with? Tell me what you guys started with. So here, Bruce Sears says, Samantha, I started with $500. I made back the membership fee within my first month. Walter started with $150. Right. So Samantha, there's a lot of people that started with less than $1,000 in their account. Heather started with 400, Maria 300, B John 500. Right. You guys can see some of the comments that are coming through chat of members that started with just a couple $100 in their account. You don't need tens and thousands of dollars to do this. So again, folks, go to ttgoffer.com. Use that coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops down to the 1047. I did well during COVID, and recently I paid for training at a prop firm and failed the eval test, and I've been watching you for a month. That's really frustrating because what you paid for that audition at the prop firm, you could have bought 5 memberships to True Trading Group with what you paid for that. That's the thing about these prop firms. They'll tell you, hey, look, yeah, here, trade our money. Here's a $50,000 account. Here's a $200,000 account. Here, trade it. But then you have to actually go through an auditioning process and actually pass to prove to them that you deserve the chance to trade their money. And if you don't pass that evaluation, the money that you paid to audition is gone. It's no different than if you lost it in the market. Now, I'm assuming that audition probably cost you anywhere from, $3,000 to $5,000, and you could have bought yourself 5 memberships to True Trading Group with that instead. I saw your live when you were talking about it, and I felt pretty stupid. I mean, listen, you don't have to feel stupid, right? I mean, you don't know what you don't know, but this is why, places like True Trading Group, or this is why True Trading Group exists, so that you guys don't make those wrong decisions and understand what's best for you with where you are. With where you are right now, Samantha, a prop firm is a terrible idea, right? So, Cheese C317 says, Samantha, I said the same thing about 2 months ago, and I took a risk. And I paid. I'm up over $6,000. I started with 500. That's incredible. Let's read this comment. So Samantha, check out this comment from GC317. Samantha, I said the exact same thing 2 months ago. I took a risk. I paid for the membership. I started with $500 trading in their account. They have now made over $6,000 2 months later. We got to welcome Joe. Joe is the newest member of the group, guys. Welcome, Joe. Joe, welcome to the family. That means we're down to 7 laptops now. So, guys, again, just go to ttgoffer.com. Everything on that page is included. Everything. $1,047. There's no upsell or additional fee for anything on that page. Use the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. Price drops to $1047. My boy Bruce says, guys, I lost $15,000 before I joined True Trading Group. Once he joined True Trading Group, he made all that money back and is now in the green and is now profitable. Follow-up from GC317 says, this is the best decision I've ever made. Don't listen to my words. Listen to members. Yes, but honestly, is that normal? I mean, honestly, that's a fair question. Samantha, that's a very fair question. Okay. And I'm going to answer a fair question. I'm going to give you a fair response. I'm going to let members answer it. Let's do this. Members, if you guys don't mind, can you tell me how long it took for you to make back your membership fee? Because Samantha, I would tell you 500 to 6,000 in 2 months is not normal. I'd say that's not normal. Okay. 500 to 6,000 in 2 months. That's not normal. That's very good. Very good. But let's see how long it took for some members to make back their membership fee. Let's see. Members, if you guys can comment, just tell me, how long it took for you to make back the membership fee. All right. So go ahead and comment in chat. Here you go. Heather, 1 week. Dino, 1 week. So listen, like I said, Samantha, to go from 500 to 6,000 in 2 months, not normal. That's very, very good. Mike says, I think I made mine back in a week or two. Bruce, in about a month, and then he doubled the membership fee the following month. I paid my lifetime membership off in 3 months, says B. John. It took Gerardo about 3 weeks to make back the membership fee. So you kind of get the hint a little bit there, Samantha, but that's a fair question. 500 to 6,000 in 2 months is not normal. But you're seeing how long it took members to make the membership fee back. So Paul made it back in 3 weeks. Yoda Wake made it back in less than a month. So you get a little bit better of idea of what is maybe normal amongst the members based on what members are saying, not by what I'm saying, based on what members are saying. Mitma, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Says, don't feel bad, Samantha. Many of us joined other groups that just took the money and gave us nothing in return. TTG is a completely different animal. Samantha says, thank you for talking to me out of everyone here. Did everyone pay around the same? Samantha, you're asking amazing questions. Actually, no. Actually, the majority of our members paid much more than 1047. So members, how much did you guys pay for your membership fee? I know I'm asking members. I'm asking a lot from you guys today. I'm asking you a lot of questions, but it's helpful, I feel like, for people like Samantha that are asking all these questions. It's better for members to answer than it is for me. But most of our members paid significantly more than $1,047. So you can see some of these comments, 1,200, 1,287, right? So you can see, a lot of people paid over the $1,047, over 1,200, over 1,300, right? 1,200, right? So you see, Samantha, a lot of people paid over the $1,047, which you have the opportunity to get tonight. But again, that price is only good till tonight at midnight. After midnight, the price is over $1,100. Heather paid over $1,300. Storybook paid $1,350. Colby paid $1,187. Knickknack paid, $1,350, $1,137, $1,200, $1,170, $1,137, over $1,200, over $1,200, $1,150. You get the point, right? But you're seeing a lot of members paid over the $1,047 price that you guys have tonight. So again, go to ttgoffer.com, use that coupon code TTG121, click apply code. The price will drop down to the $1,047. Check out, you're good to go. Andy paid $1,500, Susie over $1,200. You have any questions, guys? Don't hesitate. Seriously, any questions? Text us 1-888-306-8783. How did they make the money back? By following mods trading signals or doing own trades after their education? Justin, that's an awesome question. That is an awesome question. The answer is a combination of both. But again, members, okay? Members, please answer Justin's question if you guys don't mind. So Justin wants to know, how did you guys make the money? Did you do it by following mod alerts, or did you do it by making your own trades? Members, you answer. Was it a combination of both? Is it just mod alerts? Is it just your own trades? Members, you go ahead and answer those questions. Answer that question. Justin, it's a phenomenal question. It's a great question. I'm glad you asked. These are all fair questions you guys are asking. I'm happy you are. but you guys can read some of the comments that are coming through in chat. See, our goal at True Trading Group, listen, you can follow the mods if you want. We tell you what we're going to do before we do it. You saw that video from this morning when I told you I'm going to short meta at 333. You want to come in with me? Let's go. Like, you want to get short at 333 with me? Let's do it. I told you I'm going to get short at 333. You want to do that too? Let's go. But you don't have to. My goal is to teach you guys how to fish. You'll become the best version of the trader that you can when you are able to start executing your own trade ideas. So my goal is for you guys to be, because here's the way you look at it. Members also help me. Members also help the mods. I can't tell you how many times the members have brought trade ideas and trade setups to my attention, and then I was able to make money from it. I only have 2 eyeballs. I can't look at 1,000 stocks all at once. Doesn't matter how many scanners you're using. I can't look at everything, right? I can't. But if I've got 10,000 members from 115 different countries that are educated enough to know what to look for, that know what a good setup and a good opportunity looks like, then that just makes me better, because they bring these setups to my attention, just like I bring the setups that I see to their attention. It's happened many times where a member says, hey, Mike, check out, ABC. And I pull it up. I'm like, whoa. I'm like, Scott, that's actually a really good looking setup. Thanks for the heads up. And then I enter the position and I make money. And I'm like, Scott, brother, I owe you a steak dinner. Thank you. Right? That's the point of That's the point of trading in a group, right? The point of trading in a group is so that we make each other better. I see things that you don't see, I bring it to your attention. You see things that I don't see, you bring it to my attention. And we get better together, we make money together. That's the point. We support each other, we help each other, we celebrate the success, we pick each other up when we're down, we learn from the failures, we create bonds and friendships and relationships. There's a reason when I say welcome to the family when you join True Trading Group, is because we actually, guys, we've developed real relationships with people. You're not just a member, you're not just a number. I've built friendships through True Trading Group that are going to last me a lifetime, that I'm going to be trading and investing with these people for the next 50 years. Okay. So, like I said, guys, ttgoffer.com, coupon code TTG121, click apply code, price drops all the way down to that 1047. Check out, you guys are good to go. Adam, what are you eating? Adam's actually eating. What are you eating, Adam? It's like, I don't know. Nice. Mike says the psychology class helped me big time. Still trying to break old habits. Yeah, it's all part of it, man. It's all part of it. Sometimes you develop bad habits with other programs or other things out there. You develop bad habits and we got to break them. Hey, guys, welcome Samantha. Samantha joined. Yes, Samantha, welcome to the family. That means we're down to 6 laptops. Excellent. Members, thank you for helping out Samantha. I'll tell you right now, Samantha just joined because of the members, not because of me. So thank you very much, members, for answering Samantha's questions. Samantha, you asked some really great questions. Welcome to the family. I'm glad you invested in yourself. I'm glad you take the chance. I'm glad you took the risk. And the members and the moderators and I will be there with you every step of the way to make sure that you got the very best chance of becoming successful. So Samantha, welcome. We have 6 of those laptops remaining now, guys. Again, that's ttgoffer.com. As long as you see a laptop in the checkout cart, you're good to go. Enter the coupon code manually. You have to enter it, TTG121. Click apply code, 52% discount, 1047 for the whole year. Everything on that page is included. Any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. All right. Anybody have any questions for me? Does anybody have any questions for me? Now would be the time to ask. Baby D. So we're getting calls on Tesla, right? And if so, what are the best calls? I mean, I'm not getting calls on Tesla. I'm not getting long Tesla. Tesla's back testing a major support level. 225 to 230 is a big support level for this stock. But to me, I don't really see Baby D. It also depends on what your time horizon is. Like, I'm not sure if you're talking about this for a quick trade, if you're talking about this for like several weeks or months hold. I don't know what your time horizon is, but I own Tesla in the long-term portfolio, but from an active trade standpoint, I think there's just better things to trade right now. Tesla to me is in a consolidation phase. I mean, you can see the stock is at the exact same price it was at, 2 weeks ago. So you guys can see here, the stock has just been going sideways inside of this channel. And, you just had the Cybertruck event, which ended up being a sell the news type of event. What I would say, okay, so Baby D, I just said, you said quick trades. What I would say, if you're looking for a quick trade, I would look for, a bounce off of that 230 zone, 225 to 230. If you fall into that zone, I'd look to maybe buy like a week out expiration or a 2 week out expiration, a 230 strike or a 235 strike call. But I would say wait for it to get down into that level. So like if you get down to like here, then I think you can look for a bounce, right? Then I think you can look for a bounce. So like once you get to like 228, 227, stop loss underneath 225, like stop loss 224, and see if you bounce back to like 235, 236, 237. That's the way that I would play it. I'm not trading it here in the middle of the range. I would trade the ends of the range where the support and resistance levels actually sit. So you can see on my chart that I have drawn out, I'll delete these boxes, but this is the level, right? So you see this line that's drawn on my screen. This is that support level. And where does the support level come from? It's very straightforward. It's gap entry there from October. It was resistance here. You gapped above that level there in the middle of November. It became support. And then you also have, for good measure, that 200-day moving average sitting there, which is the yellow line on my screen. So that's your support level. I think it's like, I don't want to play around in the middle of the range. I'd rather play the extremes of the range. So I've got real nice tight stop losses and a higher likelihood of that range and that channel sticking. And you can play the range. You get long at the bottom end of the range. You get short at the top end of the range until the range breaks. And I think that's probably the best way to play Tesla right now. It's not something I'm looking at because I see better opportunities in some of the tech names. Like NVIDIA has been moving around. Excellent. Meta, excellent. Alphabet, Microsoft, excellent movers. There's a lot of stuff moving around right now that is breaking out or breaking down through major levels. Tesla is in the middle of a range. So for me, my attention is elsewhere. But if you want my opinion on how to trade it, that's the way I would do it. Yep. Well said, Atlan. Atlan says, follow the charts, not your hearts. Amen. Why is makeup selling but not lingerie? I don't know why, because Ulta Beauty and versus Victoria's Secret, I assume is what you're referring to, because Victoria's Secret's earnings actually came in light. The stock is up 14%, but the earnings did come in light. And then you have Ulta Beauty, which is exploding. The stock is up 13%. It's up $55. Unbelievable earnings beat there for Ulta. And I think, what you're seeing with Ulta is you're seeing people leaving the house, right? Like 2023 was kind of the year of like, okay, work from home was cool, but now it's back to work, right? It's back to going out. It's back to going to dinners. It's back to going to events. It's back to going out to socialize. It's back to going to bars and lounges and, sporting events and music concerts and everything else, right? We're leaving the house now. I think that's really where the makeup is coming from. During COVID, when nobody was really couldn't do anything, you couldn't go out, you didn't, people didn't put makeup on as much because they weren't leaving the house. So, you didn't have to buy as many things, and you have to re-up on different products and everything else. So I think that's what you're seeing on why some of these companies are doing well. Like look at Elf Beauty, right? In 2022, this stock was at $25. It's at $121 right now, right? Look at Elf. Like you see what happened with Elf. I mean, that's just crazy. Just crazy. No more masks, right? So people are putting makeup on. Now you're out, you're in public. People see your face. That's what I would. That's the reasoning that I would come up with. Any other questions before we break? Any other questions? Members also, don't forget, you've got Shy's Accelerator tonight at 6 o'clock. So in 15 minutes, everyone that's part of Shy and Gio's Accelerator program, that's going to be tonight at 6. Hamed Vali, what's up? Says, I joined back to True Trading Group to start learning swing trading since I cannot check my phone during work. Only 1 or 2 times, maybe. What's your advice for someone in my situation? Hamed, excellent question. 2 things that I would say, okay? One is swing trading, okay? One is swing trading. And if you can check your phone once or twice during the day, that's honestly plenty. As a swing trader, you can take a look, check. You can get an alert on your phone, enter a position, set your stop loss, and then just, forget about it. Look at it the next day or look at it whenever you do have time. Learning swing trading, someone in your position is going to be crucial. But what you also have, Hamed, is the possibility of doing futures. So like in True Trading, we launched a new futures program that you can become a part of. And futures are great for people that are not able to really trade from 9:30 to 4 Eastern when the markets are open. Futures, you can trade, those are open basically 23/6. You can trade, in the late hours at night, 11 o'clock, you can trade them, 5 o'clock in the morning, whenever your schedule allows or whatever time zone that you're in, you can trade futures also. And that could be another thing for you to do. And we have a futures program now at your trading group that's just been absolutely on fire. We had 27-point move yesterday alerted inside of the futures program, and members actually had a couple of members had some really nice days today. 10 points here, 8 points there. So it's been really, really good. So that's something you can think about too, Ahmed. But from the swing trading standpoint, yes, swing trading for sure. Learn it. Follow the swing trade alerts that are called out inside of the community. And once or twice checking your phone is fine. If you can check it once or twice, you just check it, enter your position, set a stop, and then go about your day and go about your business. My advice is to just maintain a position size you're comfortable with so that you're not thinking about that position while you're working. You want to be able to set your trade, put your order, and forget it, and just go back to work, right? If you have a huge position, all you're going to be doing is thinking about that position. You're going to be distracted from work. You want to make sure you're in a position size where you got your stop loss, that you can comfortably just be in the position. If you get stopped, you get stopped. It's not a big deal. If it gets to your profit targets, you take profits, but you want to make sure that you're in a comfortable enough position size. All right, guys. All right, folks. I think that just about wraps it up. We'll kind of break from there. Great live. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Listen, guys, if you're not interested in a membership at all, you guys can sign off the live. because I'm done with the kind of the education stuff. But if you, we have to welcome Evan. Evan just joined. Guys, welcome Evan. Evan, welcome to the community. That means we have only 5 laptops remaining. Guys, remember, when you go to ttgoffer.com, if you see a laptop, you're getting one. There's 5 left. If you don't see one, that means we've sold out. The 1047 price is good till midnight. At midnight, it jumps to over 1100. The laptops are only good for the next 5 people, though. See one, you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address. You'll get a welcome email with instructions how to claim the laptop. So be on the lookout for it. All right. Now, let me actually show you what the platform looks like. So those of you that are interested in joining, you can actually get an idea of what that $1,000 is going to get you, because it is an all-inclusive membership with everything that's on ttgoffer.com. You guys get all that. Here's our chat room. Our chat room is where the mods and I share our screen. We're live in the mic. We're calling out trades. We're answering questions. Okay. We're answering questions. We're with you guys from pre-market all the way through until the end of the day. The mods aren't gone after an hour or two and you're just left to fend for yourself. We're with you for the entire day. You got the mobile app to be connected, see the screen share, listen to the audio, and get the real-time push notifications when our mods enter and exit trades. So make sure you download the app. You're also going to get 2 private study group sessions with our mods to just speed up your learning curve a bit. You're going to get Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed with congressional trading data and insider trading information. That alone costs you over $1,000 if you went to Benzinga directly. It's included when you join our platform. You're also going to get TradingView's premium charting software. That's like $600 a year if you went to TradingView directly. It's included when you join us. The Trade Ideas scanner streams on our platform for you guys to use. You're going to get to use also a simulator that lets you trade with fake money but real-time data to practice implementing what you're learning before you risk your own money. You got our own proprietary scanner that lets you create custom scans. There's dark pool data, unusual options activity, options flow, short data, some very expensive data that you guys might pay for already. You don't have to pay for it anymore when you join True Trading Group. It is included. You got a trading journal that tracks your trading for you, breaks it down to the numbers and statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong. You got a social sentiment scanner that tells you what stocks are being talked about most on social media so you can stay ahead of the crowd. Analyst ratings on any stock you're interested in. The watch list every day from the mods tells you what stocks we're focused on with entry and exit prices. And then you've got the courses. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, you name it. We've got it. You have access to it. All you got to do is go to ttgoffer.com and use that coupon code TTG121. You also get our video library that has over 1,000 hours of workshops covering different topics, and you can attend the live workshops now once you become a full-time member. Now, guys, I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just by joining True Trading Group. I wish I could, but I can't. What I can guarantee you is if you join us today for 1047, go through our courses, pass our quizzes, and attend one study group, do that on your own time. You have the entire year to complete those 3 tasks. If you complete those 3 tasks and you are still unable to make enough winning trades that will equal the 1047 membership that you paid, we will give you back double your money. That is $2,094 if you can't make that 1047 back at least one time during your membership. Our refund policy is right there on our checkout page. It is real. It's in black and white. Go read it. You have any questions, text us 1-888-306-8783. You having a hard time signing up, text us. You used to be a trial member or you used to be an annual member and you want to come back, text us. We got to whitelist your email. Otherwise, go directly to ttgoffer.com, use that coupon code TTG121, click apply code, price drops at 1047, see a laptop, you're getting one. Simple as that. Thanks for tuning in tonight, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the live, my TTG fam. Congratulations on just a record-breaking month of November. Let's see if we can keep that momentum going. Tomorrow is the first trading day of December. We got new records to set. All right. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Everyone, Shine Geo's accelerator starts in 9 minutes. Head on over to that. For the rest of you, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. I'll see you all tomorrow.